So I first joined in 2011. I think I was interested in screen printing. I knew a few friends in America who were doing screen prints for like bands and different art prints. They made them like very cheap. They were like $50. It was very accessible, and I liked that as a way to make work where people could have it. And like I make all my designs on the computer now, where you can just draw straight on the screen. The main body of work is mostly based on classic literature. Bone Clocks of the Ghostwriters, which is a reference to two David Mitchell novels. He's an Irish author. The original print I was working on was for Dostoevsky's The Idiot, on a trip out to Mount Stuart in Butte. It was like a collection of stained glass windows of the muses. The muse that I'd chosen was of Fletchelly, and he's holding the Star Globe. It's basically the muse of astronomy. I had done loads of sketches of these star globes in sketchbooks, like with different patterns. When I was printing one of the star globes, I flipped the design the other way around and printed on top of it. I made the bottom layer be red ink and the top layer be silver ink, and then it looked very interesting. So it's been like a developmental process. There's like an element of chance to it. Like sometimes work comes too close after you've spent so many hours looking at something and then like adjusting like pixels to the tiniest degree. So like the test printing element kind of brings in this kind of spontaneity that gives a bit of life that you can lose when you're so carefully working on something to like a high detailed level, which is what I like about it, that it's mine and I made it, but it doesn't feel like mine because of this element of chance.